What's up guys, Learning with Rich here. In this lesson, we are going to add concrete beam systems to the frame of our structure. So we're going to place beam system in this area here. So we're not going to do that on the whole building, but I'm just going to show you how to do it. So I'm just going to create on the two areas of our structural model. Okay, so the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change my view to 0 to floor. So let me double click that, and then let me zoom into this area here. So let's zoom in. Okay, and then let's do this. So from the structure tab, I'm going to select here the structure panel. Here on the structure panel, so I'm gonna select here beam system, structural beam system. The shortcut is BS for beam system. So I'm gonna select this. Okay, and then after that, here on our beam system, so make sure automatic beam system is selected. So we're going to create a layout that is used to control the number and spacing of a series of parallel beams. And then also what I want to do is right after I place the beam system, I want the tag will placed automatically. That's why tag on placement here is toggled on, because you can click that if you want no tags to be placed on your beam system, but I want that to be automatically created, so I'm going to click that to toggle it on. Alright, now the next thing that I'm gonna do is from the properties of my structural beam framing system, I'm going to select here the justification, the layout rule. For the layout rule, instead of fixed distance of 6 feet, so I'm going to change this to maximum spacing. Okay, so let's click that one. So the maximum spacing is 6 feet. And then for the beam type, I'm going to use the default value here, which is concrete rectangular beam 12 by 24. Okay, so let's use that one, and that's it. Now, so as you can see, that's the beam type. So we have the justification here. So we have the layout rule, and then beam system, make sure automatic beam system is selected and tag on placement is selected. Now, I'm going to place it now. So I'm going to hover my pointer to this beam here. So as you can see, there's the preview of my beam system. So once you see that preview, so you just need to click it to place your beam system. That's it. So as you can see, right off the bat, it created also the tag for that beam. So we have here 12 by 24 at 3 foot 5 and 1/8 of an inch. Okay, and then I also want to place another one system here, that one. So I'm going to click, and there you go. And then after that, I'm going to select here modify to terminate the tool. So that's it. Now I'm going to open the 3D view here to see my beam system. So there you go. So there's my beam system. So this is how it looks like on the floor plan. So I'm going to select here tile views, and there's the floor plan view, and then here's the 3D view. All right. So that's it for this simple exercise. So hopefully you learned something from this video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.